Stereo 360 video is essentially two videos that are shot at slightly different angles and shown simultaneously to your two eyes to give the illusion of depth. Just like when you look at your finger with your two different eyes, objects that are closer to the camera will have a wider distance between them. Stereo 360 cameras include the Yihalo, the Jump Odyssey, the Kandao Obsidian, and the Insta360 Pro. Remember that the resolution of these cameras refers to their stitched image output, which will be wrapped in 360 degrees around your viewer. So if you're watching a 4K video in a Magic Window or a VR headset, which has approximately a 90-degree field of view, you'll only be seeing 1K images. For this reason, 4K is the lowest you should be shooting your 360 videos. Stereo works best between 3 and 10 feet from the camera. Objects further than 10 feet will have no parallax or illusion of depth. Objects closer than 3 feet will make you feel cross-eyed when you're looking at them in a VR headset. When shooting in stereo, you'll want to put your objects between a stereo pair, like right here. Unlike monoscopic 360, when you want to have your characters facing a lens directly, to get good stereo on the subject, they will need to be between two lenses. You'll want to make sure your camera is level to avoid vertical parallax, or one eye being higher than the other. Use a level, like this one, and place it on top of your camera, and ensure that the bubble is in the middle. That's looking pretty good. As with most cameras, if you want to get great sounding audio, you'll need to use an external microphone. You could use a stereo microphone, like the Zoom for stereo audio, or an ambisonic microphone, which will capture spatial audio, meaning that as the audience moves their head inside of the VR headset, the sound will move with them. If you have any point sources, like people talking, you'll want them to wear a lavalier mic to get crisp audio. Camera movement can make your video much more dynamic, but if done poorly, can disorient and nauseate your viewers. Let's take a look at a couple clips. A forward dolly toward your subject will feel good, while a backward dolly might feel a bit odd, but could work well for dramatic effect. Because your viewer is going to have the agency to look around them in VR, a quick pan or tilt will feel incredibly disorienting and should be avoided. Remember that in VR, the camera is your user's head, so be gentle with them. Thanks for watching. In the following videos, you'll learn how to edit your Stereo 360 video.